Hi viewers, this is Venkat. Uh, from today onwards, I want to share some knowledge about mathematics who are for the IIT aspirants as well as for the faculty who are dealing that mains level sections as well as advanced level sections. I want to share some important models which are more important for objective mode for mains and advanced. That's why I want to share that one important model in the definite integration. What does that means? How to find definite integration of the inverse of the function. How to find definite integration of the inverse of the function. So therefore, how to find that definite integration of the inverse of the function. Inverse of a function. So how to define that definite integration of the inverse of a function. Okay. So therefore, now I want to discuss that integral a to b f of x dx, integral a to b f of x dx plus integral f of a to f of b f inverse of x dx. Integral a to b f of x dx plus integral f of a to f of b f inverse of x dx. Therefore, that is equals to b into f of b minus a into f of b. So this is that important formula to find the definite integration of inverse of the function. Okay, for that I want to prove this one. Okay, please see here. Now first of all, taking that integral a to b f of x dx. So therefore, for integral a to b f of x dx, now I want to consider the function let y is equals to f of x. Now let y is equal, the function will be in terms of y, then limits also will be changed. Now when x is equals to a, so therefore y is equals to f of x, clearly that implies x is equal to f inverse of y. Now when x is equals to a, then y is equals to f of a. When x is equals to b, therefore that implies y is equals to f of b. Now I am using that biparts formula. For that biparts formula, first of all you can assuming that u is equals to f of x and dv is equals to 1 dx. Therefore du is equal to f dash of x into dx. So integral dv, now we have to applying that integrating on both sides. Integral dv is equal to integral 1 dx x. So v is equals to x. So therefore the biparts formula integral u dv is equals to uv minus integral of v du. uv minus integral of v du. Okay. So therefore now I want to substitute here. Now therefore integral, I am right here, but there is no space now. Now here integral a to b f of x dx. Integral a to b f of x dx. Therefore that is integral u dv. uv is nothing but x into f of x, but under the limits a to b minus uv minus integral of v into du. v is nothing but x, du is nothing but f dash of x dx. Okay, so therefore that is equals to upper limit b into f of b minus substituting on lower limit we get a into f of a minus here integral. Now we can take that here y is equal to f of x, then x equal to f inverse of y. In place of x, we can write f inverse of y. Now f dash of x, y is equal to f of x. Now f dash of x is nothing but dy by dx into, already here dx is there, dx get cancelled, but totally this is the function in y now, so therefore limits also change. When x equal to a, then y is equal to f of a. When x equal to b, then y is equals to f of b. So therefore this is nothing but integral a to b f of x dx. So therefore integral a to b f of x dx is equals to, now this one take into left hand side, nothing but plus integral f of a to f of b. Integration change in dummy variable is possible, nothing but integral a to b f of x dx equal to integral a to b f of t dt. So integral f of a to f inverse of y dy is nothing but, we can write f inverse of x dx. Therefore that is equals to b into f of b minus a into f of a. So this is our proof. Okay, so this is our proof. Integral a to b f of x dx plus integral f of a to f of b f inverse of x dx equal to b into f of b minus a into f of b. This is formula is very useful to find the different problems if they are inverse of the function is involved in the definite integration. Okay, now see this one, this is very easy. So this is very interesting to the faculties are teach the students is the very better model. Okay, thank you, keep it up.